This is one of the most dangerous jobs in the world, demolition work. A realm where a single misstep can catapult you into the throes of severe injuries or even death. Yes, this is the heart-pounding world of tearing down structures. While you may be more accustomed to the art of construction, the aging or reconstruction of buildings forces some structures into the jaws of destruction. In today's world, the assistance of colossal machinery is indispensable for the brave souls undertaking this perilous task. But make no mistake, even with these mechanical behemoths, the danger looms large. Demolishing a structure can unpredictably alter the stability of the remaining edifice, leading to collapses or unexpected shimmies, posing a serious risk to the courageous workers. Heavy machinery, wrecking balls, and explosives are the tools of the trade during demolition, and workers must keep their wits about them to dodge the perils of falling debris. Older structures may harbor hidden dangers like asbestos, lead, or mold. Demolition warriors must armor up with preventive measures to minimize contact with these substances, which could cast a shadow on their health in the long run. Demolition requires the orchestration of heavy-duty equipment like excavators, cranes, and bulldozers. Accidents involving these mechanical giants, be it equipment malfunctions or human error, can lead to dire consequences, severe injuries, or even the Grim Reaper's call in some cases. Controlled explosions or implosions are choreographed to bring buildings down, introducing an extra layer of risk. Any miscalculation in these explosive theatrics could unleash unforeseen consequences. Demolition warriors might encounter unexpected structural surprises like frail foundations or covered support structures, bringing forth risks not immediately apparent. To brave these dangers, demolition projects must be meticulously planned with strict adherence to safety protocols and regulations. Now, the million-dollar question: would you take on this heart-pounding job for a cool $50,000 a month?